Are you looking for real ways to make money from home without renting a shop, hiring staff, or spending more than $1,000? In this video, we're exploring 12 powerful machines you can set up right inside your garage and turn into a profitable home-based business. These machines are affordable, compact, and in constant demand, perfect for beginners with no experience needed. So let's turn your garage into a money-making workshop. If you want insider tips like this, hit subscribe. And let's get into machine number 1. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial or business advice. Always do your own research before starting any business. 1 automatic 1 to 10 kilogram powder filling and packing machine. If you want a business with endless demand, this machine is a winner. It automatically weighs, fills, and seals bags of sugar, flour, spices, detergent powder, coffee powder, and more. You can sell small 1 kilogram retail bags or larger 5 kilogram and 10 kilogram bags for wholesalers. Why it's profitable? Everyone buys these products weekly. 0 skills required. Just fill the hopper and press start. Perfect for private label branding. Expected earnings: small manufacturers easily earn $150 to $500 per day, depending on volume. 2 automatic donut making machine. This compact fryer forms, flips, and fries perfect donuts automatically. Set it up in your garage. Sell to cafes, bakeries, schools, or deliver fresh boxes daily. Why it works? Donuts never go out of fashion. You can make glazed, chocolate, or stuffed donuts. High profit margin. Ingredients are cheap, selling price is high. Daily potential: 50 to 200 donuts per hour. Great weekend or full-time income. 3 clay brick making machine. This small brick press is perfect for construction-focused neighborhoods. It compacts clay or soil into strong bricks used for gardens, fireplaces, pathways, or house renovations. Why it's smart? You can start with local soil. Homeowners, gardeners, and builders always need custom bricks. Very cheap to operate, high selling value. Ideal for rural or suburban areas with growing construction. 4 digital bronzing and laminating machine. This machine lets you add gold foil stamping, lamination, and glossy finishing to invitations, labels, business cards, certificates, and packaging. High demand clients: print shops, wedding planners, local businesses, schools and events. Profit: foil printing has a premium price. Perfect for side income designers and branding freelancers. 5 automatic pet food processing line. Mini version. Pet food is a booming market, and this small extruder lets you produce kibble, treats, or fish food inside your garage. Why it's profitable? Pet owners pay more for fresh, natural food. You can create your own brand. Flexible recipes: chicken, beef, vegetable, or fish formulas. A great long-term business with repeat customers. 6 tortilla flatbread pressing machine. This machine presses dough into tortillas, roti, chapati, wraps, pita, you name it. Perfect if your area has restaurants or food shops needing fresh bread. Why it works? Restaurants buy daily. Supermarkets accept small suppliers. Dough is cheap. Profit margins are high. Start small, scale fast. 7 portable laser engraver and mini CNC cutter. A small laser engraver is one of the easiest home businesses you can start. Engrave logos, names, patterns, or custom designs on wood, metal, acrylic, jewelry, gifts, and keychains. Why it's huge? Personalized products are exploding on Etsy, TikTok, and local gift markets. This machine can pay for itself in a week. 8 mini 4-axis CNC wood lathe, 1.5 kilowatt motor. Turn raw wood into beautiful products like table legs, handrails, wooden pens, chess pieces, candle holders, custom furniture parts. Small woodworking shops all over the world look for custom turned pieces. With this machine, you become their supplier. 9 handheld portable logo. Nameplate laser engraver. Unlike desktop engravers, this handheld version can engrave big objects like furniture, tools, appliances, or industrial parts. Perfect for personalizing metal items. Engraving QR codes. Business branding services. On-site engraving jobs. Very low cost, extremely high demand. 10-tube bending machine for furniture and metalwork. A compact tube bender lets you make metal chair frames, fitness equipment parts, motorcycle parts, decorative frames, custom pipes for fabricators. Work with local welders or furniture makers. This machine is small but incredibly powerful for metalworking projects. 11 USB connector semi-automatic soldering machine. This is a niche machine but extremely profitable if you market it correctly. It helps you assemble USB plugs, connectors, small cables, and electronic parts. Why it's profitable? Local repair shops always need small connectors. You can produce cables in bulk and sell online. Very low material cost. Great for tech-friendly home businesses. 12 ultrasonic plastic tube sealing machine. This machine seals the ends of plastic tubes used for cosmetic creams, lotions, toothpaste, gels, ointments. Start your own packaging service or partner with small cosmetic brands. Very little competition and extremely low startup cost. And there you have it. 12 powerful machines that fit inside a garage, don't require big money, and can bring in real income from home. Some offer creative opportunities. Others offer steady industrial demand. But all of them are beginner-friendly and profitable. If you want more business ideas, machine reviews, and ways to start a profitable home-based workshop, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your next income stream might just be one machine away. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.